Hey trainersku, hari ini teleponmu tolong jawab panggilanku, nak cerita workshop 1. Hey trainersku, tolong jangan reject aku, jangan baca brosur dulu, ku ingin pendapat kamu. Memang sangat payah bila training tak ada, semua yang diajar hilang entah kemana. Hadirkan dirimu ke kursus Gami aku, tambahkan engagement dengan knowledge retention. Hi everyone, I'm excited to tell you about our new and exciting workshop for trainers on the power of gamification. You will be given a step-by-step guideline to create your games where you can customize it based on your own training modules. Hey trainersku, kadang-kadang rasa buntu bila training cara lama, semua macam mudah lupa. Hey trainersku, mari belajar cara baru, gamification lah namanya, sesuai untuk semua. You know, a lot of my clients say that they're not interested to just play games, only because they do not know that this power of gamification workshop, they're actually going to learn on how to develop their own prototype games from scratch. They can customize it based on the subject matter, the target audience, the duration, make a 1-hour game or up to 3 days workshop, and also the level of complexity. So it truly depends on their own creativity and expertise. Program untuk trainers untuk maju career, tambah skill dan talents, capai semua achievements, power lagi gimmick untuk career enhancements, untuk di-apply dalam training modulmu. Gamification can be very useful to train the millennial group who has a shorter attention span, so this will give the trainers a more creative way of teaching. And for training senior management who have attended a lot of training, this will give them a new breadth of learning style. So, if you're interested to know more, click the brochure above or call me at 082-571313. First come, first serve!